Hey, what's going on, guys? Stay that drain guy. We're gonna be opening up a pipe today, and so we're gonna be cutting that pipe there, and that's a kitchen line from up above. So we're gonna be cutting it because they don't really want us in the unit. So we're gonna be cutting it. Hopefully the blockage is down here. If not, we're gonna snake backwards and get this thing cleared out. All right, here goes. All right, so look at the debris in that pipe. Same thing there. So we're gonna get the superintendent to go start running the water. I'm gonna snake out and then back up the line. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 for this, with the 1/4 inch cable, inner core with the drop head. Alright, clear there. A little bit of debris came out. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I said we're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 with the 1/4 inch cable. with an inner core, and it has the drop head on it. So when we snaked it, it was fairly clean. There was a little debris right here. I'm also gonna snake out now, and I think that's where the main debris is. So I just gotta move my ladder.
They have a chain there, I know. Nobody's got home. Whatever you do, that's it.
So there was a lot of debris right here.
Yeah.
Food and everything, like you see bits of food there. So here, when I snaked back, it seemed clear.
Must be.
It was, I think it was right there.
Like I said, mine was like this, so that's I suspected the same one.
Yeah.
I scared when I was at the door, I heard you're doing this snake.
So you think we're good?
99.9.
So nobody's home there?
No.
But they locked the chain.
If they have a chain, so everywhere.
I hate when they do that.
I know. But she didn't know I don't go there, that's the problem.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna coupling this back together.
Coupling it back, goodbye.
Sounds good, right away. that's all she wrote, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.